Hey, it's Age here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get going. So again, standing here on the 15-minute time frame or 15-minute candles, and basically we are still around the same area we were last time. Let's remove these ones here. Again, volume profile shows that we have bounced off from the range value area high. I did not take a short on Bitcoin as we did not get a swing failure pattern and did not really reach this range value area high, which was my short minimum requirement basically when I was starting to look for a short. I took a short for I think 6 different altcoins, and I can post some screenshots of those currently. Really good profits here. Of course, I'm not playing with high leverage, so I'm playing with 2 to 5x. Let's take a look at the price action since yesterday. So basically, again, we had this massive drop here. Well, not too massive, but a few percent, which is quite a good catch. We were talking about this scenario here, where we had a possibility for a Y wave, where we had on a high time frame, we had higher time frame, we had a W looking for the X and then Y. Here inside of this X wave on a lower degree we have a W, X and Y, and we were creating this structure up here. Either this was going to be A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mentioned my concerns about the 5-way structure, as for that we would need to have this structure here as a running flat. However, we did not get really high amount of volume here, nor did we have a high amount of price supporting this as a 5-way structure. So instead, again, I'm playing this as an ABC structure that is getting us to the X wave here. Also, we were looking at this possibility as to be the ABC, but again, 3-way structure here, so it can't be that. So I'm saying that we have a W, X and Y here that ended the X wave of sub-micro up in these levels. For this to be a B wave, we would have needed to come a bit higher, but again, that did not happen. So what is next? Higher time frame, we completed an X wave here, so WX, so we're looking for Y wave. Currently this structure looks like a impulsive structure, so instead of ending the count either here or one more low, we're actually looking for this as a 5, 3, 5, which would make a zigzag pattern, which would again be a 3-way move. At that point, depending on how deep we come here for the X wave, we could be looking for a structure of A, B and C, or this WXY. The ABC structure would need to come down here all the way to 27.3k, which I'm a bit doubtful at the moment, but we'll see how much this B wave retraces and if we still have some legs coming down with this impulse structure, because there is still a possibility for that. This could be labeled with this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have a divergence here between the 3rd and 5th that we're looking for, and we could be still missing one more leg here as a 1, 2. This would be 3, creating the 4th and 5th. At this point we would again look for divergence between the 3rd and 5th here, yeah, that would complete the wave A of this structure. So we would have an A, B and then C. And that is pretty much the thing I'm looking for here at this very moment. On RSI we can see that we had this trend line going up, which we broke down and basically backtested. We could be now looking for lower targets already. The wave 4 of this higher count did not get past this one, at least not yet. We could be looking this as a 3-way structure here though, so it could be wasting again more time here, another 3 wave or 5 wave coming up here, but we'll see. Currently we already reached the minimum extension of the Y wave compared to the W wave here of the 0.618 here, but again as this is a impulse wave, we would be looking for higher or lower targets this time. Saying if we are actually ended the structure here, come up a bit higher, we could be looking at the targets of 1-to-1 extension here for the C wave and the end of Y wave and completing the X wave here. Okay, so that is basically one scenario which I currently kind of like. Now kind of similar is this one where we had this structure here in the middle where we have the W, then triangle X, and now we would be looking for Y wave. Again, as this is looking like a 5-way structure, we could be expecting a lower target here. We could be still playing this as a ABC, in which case we would be looking for 5 waves after this B wave here to get this Y wave here. So both of these scenarios are still valid and in play. But again, playing the last leg here as it provides us some possibilities is a good thing. I'm not playing the higher time scenario here. Now let's bring this count up again. For the B wave, what are we looking for? So if the price starts to get up through these highs that we had yesterday for the wave 4, I would be looking for these areas of golden pocket and at least the 50% retracement. The 50% retracement has these highs here, or these lows, sorry, as some kind of support resistance area, and also the golden pocket or the 61.8 has these lows here plus the support or resistance that we have here. So I would be looking into these areas as a possible short. This 61.8 here looks more probable as it has more volume as well, of course, since we had more volume here. But that is my 2 cents about Bitcoin today. Let me know if you have another count that could explain this a bit differently. But for now, again, there's a link in my description for the Discord server if you want to join. And if you would like me to update a certain asset, let me know as well in the comments below. But again, for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.